G'day viewers, we're now on our way to Geo Waterfall up in the mountains of Phong Nha. Yeah, let's go and have a look at these waterfalls, maybe stop and have a bit of a swim on the way or something like that. So let's go. Our first stop's going to be either a little swimming hole or a lake where we're going to stop and have something to eat, a bit of mango and pineapple and stuff like that. So yeah, that'll be good. Okay. Alright, we just pulled up at this little swimming hole here. There's a waterfall in the background there, just a small one. And enjoying a bit of mango. And a bit of nice cold water on our feet. So a few fish and that in the water that come over and have a bit of a pick on your feet, which is good. Yeah, it's very refreshing. Maybe a little bit cold to go for a swim just yet. Right, after polishing off some mango and a little bit of cake beside this nice little watering hole, we're going to head on up the trail to our next stop. Okay, so they call it the Botanical Gardens, but it's not really botanical gardens. All it is quite a nice walk through the jungle or bush. A couple of nice swimming holes and all that sort of stuff along the way. Walking up beside a creek. Yeah, very nice, good temperature. And underneath this canopy here. So, seems to be plenty of people coming out and doing this. So, yeah, let's keep on keeping on.
Cô giáo em trẻ trẻ dạy em hát rất hay, hướng dưng thăm đôi vắng nước suối trong thầm thì cỏ sẽ ở che nắng dăm mắt đường em đi. Da, da, da.
There's a vine going up the tree.
Oh, nice. It's not easy. It's so cold here.
As you get closer to the waterfall, track does get a little bit more yeehaw. definitely not wheelchair accessible. If you're a bit old and doddery, probably wouldn't come this way. Well, probably wouldn't come here. Yeah. And we'll just got to get down to the bottom down there and go and check out these waterfalls, maybe have a swim. Very refreshing. Alright, so that concludes our trip to Phong Nha. We've had a pretty good time. I think I would come back here again and maybe do some of the bigger caves, like a couple of treks overnight in some caves and things like that. I might have to improve my fitness a little bit first, but yeah, I've quite liked it here. The country's beautiful. A lot of really nice, I think they call them limestone karst, K-A-R-S-T, so the formations here. So, yeah, I reckon you could get some epic drone footage. I've got a little bit, but yeah, you've probably seen that already. Alright, we'll check out of our hotel in the morning and head down to Da Nang. So hopefully I'll put a video together from there. Alright people, till the next one. Bye for now.